In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install N8N. If you're new to N8N, it's a powerful automation platform that lets you connect apps and build workflows without heavy setup. In this walkthrough, we'll use N8N Cloud so you can get up and running quickly in your browser without configuring servers or databases. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official N8N website. If you're unsure of the exact address, searching for N8N in a trusted search engine and following the official link is a safe approach. Make sure the site loads over a secure connection before you proceed. Once you're on the site, look for the Start for Free button and click it. This takes you to the Getting Started flow where you'll choose how you want to run N8N. For the fastest setup with no installation on your machine, select N8N Cloud. This hosted option means your workflows run on N8N's infrastructure, so you can focus on building automations rather than managing servers. There is a self-hosted path available, but we're keeping things simple today with the cloud option. Next, sign up using the method that suits you best. You can register with an email address or use a Google or GitHub account to sign in. Using a single sign-on provider can speed things up and reduce the number of passwords you manage, while signing up with email gives you a straightforward provider-agnostic account. Follow the prompts carefully, review any permissions requested, and confirm the details you see on screen. If you're asked to verify your account, check your inbox for a verification message and click the link inside to confirm. Keep the browser tab open while you do this so you can return to your session. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folders. After verification, the N8N dashboard opens automatically. This is your command center. You'll see your workspace where you can access workflows, credentials, and settings. It's a good time to get familiar with the layout so you know where to find things later. To begin building, click Create Workflow. This opens the visual editor where you'll design automations by adding and connecting nodes. From here, you're ready to explore templates, connect apps, and start automating the tasks you do every day. That's it. You've reached the N8N Cloud dashboard and created your first blank workflow, all from the browser. Enjoy building and keep experimenting as you learn what's possible.